Okay, so let's unbox the new AirPods Pro Generation 2. This is the usual paperwork. Is there a sticker? I don't see a sticker anywhere. Nope. I thought all the Pro products from Apple get a sticker. I guess I was wrong. Okay, so they made a sound. I think they want to pair. They are heavy. Okay, so let's see what else can we find in the box. So this is the charging cable. It's a standard Type-C USB to a Lightning cable. And these are the ear tips. Okay, so this time around you have the extra small ones, the small ones, the large ones, and by default the mediums are on here. I don't actually know which one fit me, so yeah, I will be testing that out as well. They are heavy. Like when you pick this up, it is more heavy than the usual headphones. So these are my current headphones, and the AirPods Pro second generation is going to be replacing those, and I'm really happy with those. These are the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. They're like 50 bucks, and these are 250. So yeah, stay tuned for the comparison and full review of these ones. And yeah, let's see, are they 5 times better? Because they are definitely 5 times more expensive. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.